Hey guys, welcome back to the second episode from this wonderful nature reserve here. If you haven't seen the last episode yet, then check it out. I linked it here or here, I'm not sure. And in the end card I will link it too. There's a bird. I don't know what it is, but there's a bird. Anyways, today I will focus me to photograph some birds. So the last episode I photographed the sunrise and some flowers. But now I will focus me to bird photography here in this nature reserve, because here are so many nice birds. That's gigantic, and a lot of birds that I didn't see in my whole life yet. So that's really nice. Today I saw a wren, and I was really lucky to see this bird because it's not easy to find it, and it's the first time that I saw it. And yeah, I could take one single photo and no video, only one single photo, because it was really fast and it flew really, really fast away. And there's a blackbird in front of me. Here is a photo. Okay guys, I'm now here in a little old quarry, as you can see, and I like this place here because it looks really, really cool. And at first I will make a little second breakfast, and then I'm going to photograph this interesting landscape here, because I didn't do this before, and maybe I can take some nice photos here, or maybe I can find some birds in this quarry here, but yeah, I will see. Guys, that's so good. Here in this quarry are a lot of Goldcrests. I don't know if I pronounce it correct. And they're not so shy as I thought before, and that's really nice. So I can go, I don't know, 4 or 5 meters close to them, and they ignore me, and that's really, really nice. I think I couldn't take some really nice landscape shots of this quarry here. Maybe some macro photos of some special plants, but I think nothing else. And what I'm doing now is to photograph the Goldcrest, because I think they're really rare here in Germany, and I didn't saw them before, and I'm really happy right now to find them here in this quarry. So yeah, see if I can take some photos of these little birds. Guys, I have a big problem right now. It's getting later and later. I think now it's about 11 o'clock a.m. and yeah, the birds are getting far away and far away all the time, more and more, so it's harder to photograph them. Yeah, wait a second. Oh guys, sorry, but there was a woman, and I sometimes, or I think I can say always, when I see people, they're asking me, "Oh guy, what are you doing?" And I say, "Oh, I photograph some birds here." And they always say, "Oh, that's a nice hobby." That's really funny to talk with some other people's. Sometimes it's annoying because they often scare some animals away, but I think that's cool. And there's a robin. There it is, in the middle of the bush, right there. Maybe I can film it. There, can you see it? There it is. There. Okay guys, the robin was really nice because it wasn't shy, and I could go, I don't know, 1.5 meter close to them, and it was incredible. I could take some really nice recordings and photos for you. And here it's sitting in this bush before me here, and I love robins. They're really cute. So I will go further now, and yeah, see you later. Okay, I think I go back home right now. The reason is that the birds aren't here, so I can hear some birds, and sometimes I can see some blackbirds or some tits, but nothing else, and the most of the time they're up in the tree, and then it's impossible to photograph them. And the second reason is that I'm really tired right now. I'm walking here since, I don't know, I'm walking here for hours, I think. Since about 4 hours I'm walking around here, and my legs are really tired, and my arms too, because it's really hard to hold all the time the heavy camera. So I have 2 cameras here, one with the big telelens and one with the big macro lens, or with this lens here. So this. Yeah, I think it was a successful day, or yes, for you it was 2 days, because the morning was in the episode number 1. I think in this episode I could take some nice photos and videos of the robin and of the wren, and it was nice to find the gold. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the name, the correct name. You know what I mean? The gold. Oh, I don't know. So yeah, I go back home now. So I hope you liked the video. It would be nice, and it would support me if you subscribe my channel and activate the clock. Maybe you can like this video. So yeah, see you next Saturday, and have a nice week. Bye.